Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting problem that you can find in Windows. And this happened to me when I was downloading something and I moved this folder and suddenly as I was corrupted, but it's not corrupted. For example, if I have this folder here, I had downloaded this folder here, but I cannot play with any of this. Whatever, by the way, this is my favorite cartoon. Whatever I open, I get this weird message and it's like, it just stacks. My computer just stacks. So, but however, how I can solve this problem if I copy this folder and copy again and create a copy of this folder, suddenly all the files here, they are playable. So if I start the file, it will play. Okay, it plays. But not as long I keep, I don't copy. Like this, they are not playing. Then I've checked they have the same attributes. I checked this. The permissions are exactly the same. So whatsoever, there's nothing different. So I don't know what's the error, but sometimes by copying the files, you fix by copy the folder, you fix the problem. But if I copy even the file, for example, this file will not play. If I copy and paste here, I get this problem as well. And okay, I will interrupt this. Let's say I will copy and paste. No, copy and paste. Let's say I will create a copy of this file here. If I start this file, it plays. But if I start like this, it doesn't play. And now it will not. You carry on all the way. It will not close, is it? So let's try to do a scan disk. If this says the problem, no errors were detected. Everything's fine. No errors, everything's fine. But just this folder, this files is not working. For some reason, I have to copy the files and rename them. So this might be the solution to you. Copy the files, rename it, and it's gonna work. I'll copy the folder and delete this folder, for example. Now how to do. Shift delete the folder and rename this one as before. This is the only solution to fix this weird problem. Okay, so now it should work. But if I didn't do this before, it would not work. So to recap, if you have this, what the show is working, there is not working, you clear here, you close, you go back, you copy the folder, you paste. After you delete this folder, you remain this back in the beginning, and that's all. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any better solution, let me know. Thanks.